Hello, on behalf of Shiva Tattva AI, I am welcoming you all. In this series of videos, we are going to explore the opportunities, the learning space, learning scope of Agentic AI. So, the basic idea behind creating of this video tutorial series so that you can learn the best available materials of agentic AI applications practice so that you can build develop agentic AI systems on your own and put that in your resume free of cost. So हमारा कोशिश यही रहेगा विद इन दिस वीडियो सीरीज ट्यूटोरियल जर्नी कि बहुत ही आसान एंड सिंपल भाषा में very with very minimalistic dialogues and all we will teach you guys how to build agentic AI workflows, then how to design self-reflecting agentic architectures. So basically what are the architecture patterns of agentic AI workflows, then what are the tools, effective tools, integrations and utilizations, और उसके बाद we'll deep dive into the best practices. And in terms of best practices, what we are going to do is we are going to build applications using agentic AI, or आखिर में at the very last what we are going to do is high autonomy AI agents का architectural pattern we are going to see. Okay, that means there also we are going to do hands on. So these are the 5 modules that I have picked for this video tutorial series, and मैं उम्मीद करूँगा with this course you will definitely add some good quality agentic AI what can I say tutorials or agentic AI knowledge into your resume if you follow it deeply. Thank you.